Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have not liked and subscribed the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. Today I'm going to share you the latest and updated information which Apple has released. Apple has released iOS security response, rapid security response, which is actually new, and they have given a new name, naming conventions like A and B, or maybe just C. They will they will keep saying that, right? And I have already made video on about this, why they have released, and what is this rapid security response. It will only provide the important security fix, and it's recommended for all the users. So if you are managing iOS devices through MDM, or if you have, or if you are iPhone or iOS users, make sure that if Apple is releasing this rapid security response, which is actually smaller in size and with the proper naming conventions, make sure you update your devices or patch your devices through mobile device management system. So there is an article published here. You see the Apple security response update and Intune. So Apple has released their first security response with 16.4.1a, and some of our Intune managed phone have installed this update. However, right, you see, so there is an article published also from Apple, right? You see here, rapid security response, and what will be the content will be the OS version earlier, like this one. Build version is this one. Supplemental build version they have put A, and supplemental iOS version extra they have put A. So similar like this one, if it's B they will put like B. And you see here, this is the example they have given, and they are saying starting with A and then B and then so on. So they will keep giving like A, B, C, something like that, right? So make sure how you can control these response, right? Rapid response through the Microsoft Intune, right? So I will show you quickly from the Microsoft Intune side. So if you go to the devices section, right, and go to the iOS configurations profile, the devices must be supervised through Apple Configurator or AVM. If it's non-supervised devices, you cannot force update, or you cannot. So I have already created. You just watch my video how to create it. So I have already have rapid security response created, and if you see here, you have to allow this rapid security response installation to true, and you have to block this. If you want, of course, you want to fully patch the devices. We don't want to give users to remove those security patches from the phone, so it should be false. If you want options to give users to, so that they can remove, so then you can mark it true. But I would recommend you to set it false, and this one is true. But and apply this configurations profile. You can give any name, whatever you want, and apply to the supervised devices, and if the devices are enrolled into Intune using a Apple Configurator or ABM, Apple Business Manager. If the device is unsupervised, you can't enforce this rapid security, or you can't even force push the OS updates from the Intune. Try this method, and you will be able to manage this security response, which is actually important, and which Microsoft has given this to fix this, to fix any vulnerability as soon as possible. This is actually good move, but we need to see how we can control this supplemental OS version extra through the Intune, because currently there is some issue with how we can enforce that compliance policy with this new naming convention, and how we can apply with the conditional access policy as well, or how we can apply the device restrictions policy, because there is no option. But I hope Microsoft is working with on this one, and they will include in all these compliance policy, conditional access policy, and restrictions policy, so that the Microsoft Intune will able to identify whether user has the this security response A and B installed on the phone, and based on that they can take action or apply the policy. I hope you learn how you can do that. Try this method. Maybe you can test in your tenant and see how it's work. Till then, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.